Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a very sensitive topic. It's how to pick your dentist. I want to prevent you from going down the route of making a mistake and getting a procedure done that you shouldn't. By picking the wrong dentist, you will not only waste money and time, but most importantly, you will lose your tooth structure, and that's what I want to prevent. So that's why you should consult the right dentist for the procedure that you need. So with this video, I'm not trying to offend anyone. They are all the dentists of the world are my colleagues, so I'm just trying to give you some tips on how I would pick my dentist. So first of all, I would say check out their credentials, check out where they went to the university. For example, I went to USC, and USC is known for their many requirements in order to graduate. So we had so many clinical requirements and procedures to do on patients before we were able to graduate. So basically we had already so much experience before we were out. I was even able to open my own practice right after graduation. And that tells you something. So it's very, very important to see if their university is accredited or was accredited at the time that they were in school. Second thing is check out their specialty. You might have a dentist who is awesome at root canal treatments, or what we call an endodontist, but is less experienced in aesthetic dentistry. So you wouldn't want to go and get veneers or something aesthetic on someone that hasn't really worked very much in aesthetic dentistry or in the field of aesthetics in dentistry. So basically you have to check at what they have specialized in order to ensure that you will get the best outcome out of the procedure that you are requiring. The third tip is check out their social media accounts. Nowadays, everyone has social media. All the dentists in the world basically have some social media accounts. And so check out their social media accounts. You will be able to see before and after pictures. You will be able to see the procedures that they do and how well they can perform. Tip number 4, research very well the dental procedures that you think that you need and educate yourself. So then tip number 5, when you actually go to the dentist, ask them as many questions as you have, or as many questions as possible, so you can get them answered. And my 6th and final tip is pick a friendly dentist. You would want someone who communicates with you. You know, most of our patients have their mouths open while we're working on them, so they can't really ask questions during the procedure. So I think it's a very good virtue when a dentist has abilities to explain to you what they're doing every step of the way. That way you will feel ensured that everything is going well, and even if something is not going well, you will be informed during the procedure. And that's, I think, very reassuring. And I get this feedback all the time from patients. You know, when I'm talking to them during the procedure, at the end of the treatment, they say, "That's really good that you were talking to me. You know, it's quite boring staying with the mouth open for a long time and not knowing what's going on." Please don't get stressed out when you're picking your dentist. After all, most of the dentists out there get the proper training before they get you as a patient, so you will be fine. So this is all for today's video. I hope this helped you on your journey to finding your dentist. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down the section below, and I'll try to either comment or answer any questions that you have. Peace.